Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everybody, my name is Vinny. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. We have a website, Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Hello Baby English, all one word. It is game time. Let's begin. Today we're doing nouns. We have 1 from level 1, 2 from level 2, 3 from level 3, and 4 from top level. Some of these have other meanings. All these words have one more meaning in our program. Number 1, be careful. There is some broken on the floor. This is because somebody broke the window. Glass. There's some broken glass on the floor. Noun, uncountable. We went swimming yesterday. We all did a few into the water. We all did a few jumps into the water. Jump is a noun here. The runners will be thirsty. They will all need a few drinks of water. Drink is a noun here. In professional golf tournaments, only half of the players make the. This is halfway through, when half of the players continue and half of them go home. They make the cut. Cut is a noun here. The leaves on the tree are green, and the is brown. This is the part of the tree on the trunk. The bark is brown. This is the part that covers the tree. Please check your dictionary. What is the that Bob will get a job here? This means what are the chances? What are the odds? Likelihood. What's the likelihood that Bob will get a job here? Their parents are quite rich. They own in many big companies. This word is similar to stocks in the stock market. They own shares. Sometimes we say stocks and sometimes we say shares. Same meaning. The vacation was fun, but there are plenty of on their credit card. This is another word for a transaction that's registered on a credit card. There are plenty of charges on their credit card. We also use charge for a battery. Please check your dictionary for charge, the noun, and read the whole thing. This word has 3 meanings. When we play a violin, archery with an arrow, and the front of a ship. And there's one bonus point here for pronunciation for all 3. Bow, bow, bow. This word has 2 meanings. It's similar to a daycare center. It's also a place where people grow plants and trees for sale. Nursery. See you next time.